Hey guys, it's Bree the Coupon Queen and welcome back to my channel. So today I want to bring you the CVS early ad preview for next week as well. I did the Walgreens early ad preview earlier today. It took a long time to get that one uploaded for some reason. Not sure why it does that. Some videos will upload in like literally 5 minutes. Some videos it takes like 4 or 5 hours. It's crazy. So I did post the Walgreens earlier if you haven't checked that out. Quite a few good deals, including a freebie for Revlon, which is amazing. Also want to go over the CVS ad preview so we can figure out if it's better to use some of those instant coupons and CRTs for the current week, or if it's better to hold off and wait until the following week. So if you're not subscribed on the channel yet, hit that subscribe button in the bottom right-hand corner and that notification bell. That way, when I post new deals, videos, giveaways, anything like that, you guys will be notified. I will have my biggest giveaway that I've done so far when I hit 10,000 subscribers. So make sure you're hitting that subscribe button, share the videos with friends and family so they too can take advantage of all of the great savings that go on every single week, and how you can stock up on essentials without paying full price. So let's go ahead and dive right into this ad. It is brought to you by thecouponing.com. As you see on the ad, it is a pretty good copy. It's a pretty clear copy, so we should be able to see all of the great deals next week. So first we have spend 20, get a $5 extra back. It includes those really large Tides and Gains. These are the 100 ounce. They're going to be $11.94. And there's a send to card coupon, which is awesome. The Downy and the Tide are also going to be $4.94. The bounce sheets 70 to 80 count are going to be included as well. There is a send to card coupon, so we'll have to see which one that applies for. Mother's Day is around the corner, so you're going to be seeing a lot of great Mother's Day gifts. I saw a really good ad for Kohl's for some good Mother's Day gifts. Definitely great to shop online. That way you can mail it right to them for Mother's Day, have it either a little before or on the day. Hopefully, of course, there's no delays. So if you're going to be shopping online, make sure you use that Rakuten app that I've been letting you guys know about in all my videos. The link will be in the description box as well for the code that you guys can use to do the spend 30, get $30 cash back. We have Coke and Pepsi, 3 for $10. That is not a bad deal at all. That is definitely great to stock up on some soda. And those are the 12 packs. Buy one, get one free on Ferrero Rocher. Sally Hansen, spend 15, get a $5 extra buck. Limit of 1. We have any CoverGirl, buy 2, get a $7 extra buck. That will be an amazing deal to do. We have $3 coupons and $2 coupons from the 426 inserts. If you have a 3 off of 12 cosmetic CRT, probably going to be a nice moneymaker. So I'm excited about that. American Home by Yankee Candle, spend 20, get a $5 extra buck. And then Revlon, spend 10, get a $4 extra buck. Hopefully we can get some really good beauty deals this next week coming up. Spend 30, get a $10 extra buck on assorted seasonal items and toys. Buy one, get one half off on Febreze. We are getting $1 off coupons for Arm & Hammer. So it's going to be the exact same price point at Walgreens next week for the Arm & Hammer liquid or the Oxy, I think they call them Power Packs. Yep, Power Packs. So it'll be just $1.99. So not bad there. This for $8.99, I'd stay away from that. I mean, we get Tide Simply for cheaper. I know this is the larger one, but if you're going to be doing this route, I would do it at Dollar General with the 5 off 25 for Saturday, because that way, obviously, the price point is going to come way down when you're combining it with a lot of other items that you could need. So I would say Dollar General would be the better place to purchase if you're wanting the larger Tide Simplies. There is a deal going on at Dollar General currently. I'm going to be doing it again Saturday. The $2 Tide Digital is applying to the Tide Simply Pods, making them just 95 cents plus taxes. So that is a really good deal there. All right, we have a gallon of milk, buy one, get a $2 extra buck, limit of 2. I think that is a regional deal. I don't believe every region gets that. 2 for $6 on the Naked Shakes. Coffee, $4.99 Maxwell House and McCafe K-Cups. That's definitely a good deal. If you have a 2 off of 8 coffee CRT and you buy 2 of these, then final cost is just $4 each, which is a great, great deal. Coffee is also one of those items that is like super expensive. It's like $9 or something in the store. So to get them for $4, it's more than 50% off and definitely a great deal. Oreo, Belvita, Ritz, 2 for $7, get a $1 extra buck on 2. That's okay. Couple drink deals here, 4 for $5 on 2 liters, 2 for $2.50 on Coke. Nothing else really that strikes my attention. Okay, Russell Stovers are also buy one, get one free. Walgreens, it's going to be buy 2, get a $5 register reward, and they're $4.99. We do have a $1 off 2 coupon that came in the $4.26, I believe it was the Smart Source insert. So that could be a really good deal at either store. I'm not sure the price that these are regular at CVS, so I'll have to check that out. If it's a good deal, I will put it in my must-do deals video. Drop a comment. Let me know if you guys have any creative, fun gifts that you're thinking of doing for Mother's Day. Let's all share some great ideas, where you're going to get them, if you're going to be ordering online, things like that. I like to switch it up and get, more creative with my gifts instead of just the typical, flowers or a plant or something of that nature. What else? Okay, Hershey's and Kisses, 2 for $6, extra buck on 2. We did get a instant coupon. I don't know if it would work on these, so I'll have to check on that. I'll let you know in the must do deals video. Elf Cosmetics, spend $15, get a $5 extra buck. NYX, spend $15, get a $5 extra buck. Burt's Bees, same deal, spend $15, get a $5 extra buck. 3 off 3 for the theater candy, which is a good deal because last time we tried to do a movie night, I went to Publix to buy like just little candies and what else? And like popcorn, stuff like that. And it literally cost me like $30 for like 5 things. It was super expensive. And all the candies were like $2, $3 a piece. It was wild. So I'm definitely going to stock up on some theater candies. That way next time we're wanting to have a movie night, it's not like the most expensive thing ever. I felt like it was as expensive as going to the movies. Like that's how I felt. It was weird. L'Oreal, spend $12, get a $4 extra buck. Garnier, spend $15, get a $5 extra buck. I know a couple of you have commented that you've been getting the Garnier facial care CRTs. So that could be a really good deal to do. Limit of 1. L'Oreal, buy one, get one half off. We are getting some coupons, so I would hold off on that deal. Typically, we have been getting the spend 30, get a $10 extra buck deal. So I would definitely wait until you get that deal. That is the current deal this current week. We don't have any paper coupons, but if you have some good CRTs like I did in my first CVS haul, if you haven't checked it out, check that out. I will have both hauls listed at the end of the video that you guys can click on and watch. And it wound up being, it was, I don't know, like a couple bucks for all 3 items. It was a really good deal. We have saved $10 instantly at the Extra Care Center when you spend $30 or more on any L'Oreal, Maybelline, or Garnier. So as far as the L'Oreal, I'm not sure if it's going to be L'Oreal like shampoo conditioner or if it's going to include cosmetics. So we'll have to see Sunday morning, but that is definitely going to be a great deal. So that will be in my must-do deals video for sure because we have the L'Oreal Elvive. If you still have a $3 off 2 coupon from the previous inserts, I just ordered more online so that I can do this deal. Final cost for this after extra bucks will be $1. Then we have buy 2, get 1 free Garnier Nutrice coupon coming in our Sunday's paper. And buy 2, get a $4 extra buck. So that could be a good deal as well. Garnier Whole Blends, $3 off 2 coupon in the Sunday paper. $2 extra buck. The $10 instant coupon is going to be read as like a spend coupon. So just like if you have a $3 off $12 cosmetic CRT, you wouldn't also be able to use like a 2 off 8 cosmetic CRT if you're only spending $12. So you won't be able to use any other like 3 off of 12 shampoo or conditioner CRT, any other spend amount CRTs, because this is going to be handled like a spend amount CRT. So I will go over that again in my must-do deals video and kind of the ins and outs on that for you. $1.50 coupon coming for Jergens Natural Glow. There is a deal at Walgreens for those. Neutrogena, spend $30, get a $10 extra buck. Spend $30 on Aveeno, get a $10 extra buck. $2 coupons, I think that's for the Axe. I'm not sure. It's on top of that, so we'll see. Dove as well, buy 2, get a $2 extra buck. If you have like a 3 off of 10 Dove haircare CRT, definitely want to pair that in. This should be a moneymaker as well. I'll have to figure out the price points that these start at, but there's a 5 off of 2 Cent-A-Card coupon. If you have the $3 coupons from the 426 inserts, that could make for a better deal. If you have a 3 off of 12 Shave CRT, that could make for an even better deal. So I will let you guys know in my must-do deals video. Schick Men's razors and refills, buy 2, get a $10 extra buck. That is a great deal right there. So that could be a moneymaker as well. I've been getting a lot of Schick razor refill CRTs, so we'll have to double check on that. We're getting another save $10 instantly when you spend $40 or more on these 2 products here. Buy 1, get 1 half off, and buy 3, get a $5 extra buck for Maui Hair Care. Okay, we're halfway through. $5 extra buck when you spend $20 on Dove, Axe, Degree, or personal care products. What else? Soft soap and the Irish Spring bars are going to be 3 for $15. Get a $5 extra buck when you buy 3. There were 75-cent coupons from the 426 inserts. So that could be a decent deal for you as well, especially if you have a body wash CRT, like a 2 off of 8, or even if you have a 2 off of 8 and a 2 off of 6, you could use those both because that would equal $14 and you're paying $15 is what you're spending. So you would be able to combine those. What else? Sorry about all the noise in the background. My dog is going nuts. Somebody dropped off a package, so they knock on the door, and she just like cannot handle herself. Spend $20, get a $7 extra buck on Dial. And they're all 2 for $7. These big ones are $7. We are getting Dial body wash CRTs in our Sunday papers coming up is what I saw in the Walgreens ad preview. So that's exciting there. Aleve and Bayer, buy 1, get 1 half off. Spend $20, get an $8 extra buck. I have a lot of like 3 off of 12 and 4 off of 15 pain relief CRTs. So that should apply to this because these are like pain relievers. So that could be a good deal. Advil, we have $2 coupons and it's spend $12, get a $3 extra buck. So that could be nice as well. So many good deals at CVS. That's why it is like my absolute favorite. $3.99, buy 3, get a $3 Cent-A-Card coupon. Not the best deal. What else? Spend $15, get $7.50. $3 Cent-A-Card coupon. That could be a good deal, especially if you have a 3 off of 12 oral care CRT. That's not bad. Speed Stick on sale again. 2 for $6, $2 extra buck when you buy 2. Better deal is going to be the current week because you're getting a $3 extra buck when you buy 2. Okay, spend $30 on Summer's Eve, Midol, any U by Kotex, Monistat, or Urostat. Get a $10 extra buck. So if you have some feminine care CRTs, previously I've had like a 2 off of 10 you buy Kotex. So that could be something you can definitely put in with this. If you have any like 2 off of 2 feminine care or wipes, washes, things like that, those are definitely CRTs you can use. $2 Centicard coupon, buy one, get one half off, not the best deal. Better deal is the current week at CVS. They are included in the PG deal. 2 for $20, spend $20, get a $5 extra buck and a 3 off of 2 coupon. We got coupons in our PG insert, so that could be a good deal, especially if you have a 3 off of 15 diaper CRT, anything like that. Okay, now we're into the allergy medicines and other medicines. Claritin, couple deals. Flonase, $10 coupon and a $3 extra buck makes it just $13, so not bad. Ollie gummies, spend $20, get a 6. Boost, this is a pretty good deal. They're $7.99. Buy 4, get an $8 extra buck, and 5 off of 2 coupons are coming. If you have any Boost CRTs, you can use them. If you have any like drink CRTs, you can probably use it. What you can do to see if a CRT is going to attach is send it to your card, then go online or on the app, and then you can go to your deals and rewards folder, click on shop now, or it says something like that for the CRT, and it'll open up all the deals that CRT will attach to. So that's how you can kind of figure it out before you go shopping. That way you don't have to worry about buying products that the CRTs are not working. Poise and Silhouette, just 99 cents. Amazing, amazing deal. That is awesome. Especially a good donation item. Okay, so this is just saying again that $10 instant savings coupon. We have Garnier is going to be on sale 2 for $2 final cost. Maybelline, buy 2, get a $5 extra buck. We have $2 coupons coming. Persil, $2 coupon coming as well, so those will be just $2.94. Spend 10, get a $5 extra buck on Colgate Total. The $3 whitening CRT seems to work with Colgate toothpaste, but when I did that Crest gum whatever deal the current week, it didn't attach, even though they all said whitening. Super weird. That is definitely a CRT. Send it to your card and just kind of see if it comes off, but check to see if you're going to be getting some products that might work on it. This one's not the best deal, buy 2, get a 6. Sometimes we get buy 2, get a 10, so I don't know about that. Some wine deals, Woodridge, $2 extra buck when you buy 1. It says there's supposed to be 13 pages, but nothing else is coming up. So I'm guessing that is the last page of the ad preview. If you guys have any questions, of course, drop a comment. Let me know. Don't forget to give the video a big thumbs up for me. Always helps my channel. And I will see you guys next time.